everybody, so this is your nutrition in 90 seconds. So today, briefly, I'm going to talk about 5 foods that we consider to be superfoods that you do want to have in your diet. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, blueberries. So if you follow my videos and know I do smoothies, I love to add blueberries to my smoothies, and blueberries are one of the highest sources of antioxidants. So blueberries are really good for your diet. Number 2, avocados. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats. So you do need fat in your diet, but you want to get it from healthier sources. So avocado is a great way. You can do avocado toast. You can add it to Mexican dishes. Spread it on toast, add it to Mexican dishes, on sandwiches, put it in salads. A lot of different ways you can add avocados, and also put it in smoothies as well. So I will do avocados as well. Number 3, bananas. Of course, we know bananas are a fruit, right? Good source of fiber. Also can help regulate, help with blood pressure as well. So that's number 3, bananas. Of course, you put it in smoothies. Of course, you eat it however you want to eat it, bananas. Number 4, kiwis. Now, kiwis are packed with vitamin C, which they actually have 2 times more than oranges. So we always think about vitamin C, we think about what? Orange. But there are a lot of other ways to get vitamin C in your diet. Kiwis are a great way to get them, and they have way more than 2 times more than oranges. So did you know that? Oh, pineapples is the last one I will talk about. Pineapple is a great source of fiber. You get fiber in pineapples, vitamin C, helps to build the immune system as well. So fresh pineapples are good. They do have canned, they have frozen, all that. But fresh pineapples really have a great taste to them. You can add them to smoothies. You can do whatever you want to do with them, but get those foods in your diet. So what do we talk about? Bananas, pineapples, kiwi, blueberries, and avocado. So those are 5 of some superfoods that you can add to your diet. If you have not, try it. And don't forget to check out www.stepsforchange.net, and you can purchase the book Tasty Tuesday Tip. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel at Steps for Change. See ya.